be nice.
We are calling upon for cheers for democracy, not cheer for anyone or any political party, but cheer for democracy. And we really need a sort of unity and solidarity to achieve our goal of democracy. And I believe that Hong Kong people are wise. When they see that there's a division trap here, they will come out to make sure that this division trap is not being successful.
大家協
順其自然
冇乜所謂，
咯，
順其自然啦，咁耐都係咁啊。因為有啲人可能特登仲要跟住我哋尾都唔定嘅。以前有一兩隊中意排最尾嘅，大家知道啦，邊兩隊啦係嘛？咁所以冇乜所謂嘅，順其自然。總括嚟講咧，我哋覺得即係嗰日我哋都會盡量睇下大會個指揮嗰度點安排。
我記得0371嗰年咧，冇事冇講得民主黨行最尾，我睇住。
我冇參與到今次嗰個義工嗰啲嚇，咁即係我亦都相信，即係大家都係用一個平和嘅方法、和平嘅方法去進行嗰個遊行。同埋我再次強調一樣嘢，就係其實即係即係最弊一樣嘢咧，唔平和或者唔和平咧。係會出現一個趕客嘅問題，而趕客咧唔係趕咗啲係反對民主啲人，你係趕咗啲支持民主啲人，咁啊有反效果。我相信香港大家所有啲人都有個智慧喺度咧。今次嘅遊行咧，大家都知道係盡量係唔好眾離間計，同埋唔好趕客。
遊行示威就顯示力量，顯示你嘅意志，顯示你嘅勇氣同埋堅持。冇低調嘅遊行嘅呢個世界，冇低調嘅示威嘅，所以出嚟我哋同埋大表成個大隊係同步同調嚇，咁所以就不存在低調嘅問題。咁我哋嗰日總括説話總嘅嚟講咧，我哋會跟隨大會嗰個安排嚟到配合行前或者行後。我好有信心咧，嗰日整體嚟講咧，會係一個即係和平同埋有秩序嘅遊行，縱使可能會有啲人係藉呢個機會見到我哋咧，表示一啲批評或者不滿，但係我哋亦都係會坦然面對，咁亦都係我相信冇乜大問題嘅一個開放嘅社會。咁有啲批評係總係需要面對嘅。咁所以咧我哋覺得咧係唔需要擔心嗰日會出咩亂子。我相信呢個現象咧係即係整體嚟講咧會係一個好似以往係咁成功、理性同埋和平嘅。I think notwithstanding the temporary division in our strategies, we would on long term remain united because we all share the common goal and dedication for democracy. I'm not particularly concerned about any hostility or conflict on that day because after all it would be, I think, and I'm very confident it would be a peaceful and orderly demonstration, as we have always been having this sort of demonstration in the past decade. So I anticipate there may be people pointing and accusing fingers at us for our decision to vote for the package on last Wednesday. But again, I think that would not turn into a very personal conflicts or even physical confrontation. So I'm very confident it would be a peaceful and orderly. 我哋盡量呼籲大家出嚟。
好啦，咁請大家各自去訪問你嘅目標人物啦嚇。